ETA 0700 hours out.
What the bloody hell is that? Incoming missile. Hang on!
You're still in one piece. Get up. Come on, we need to get moving before the search parties get here. Casualty report.
Paulson and both pilots are dead, sir.
Bugger. All right, the extraction point's not far from here. Let's move out.
Bravo 6, this is base plate. AC-130 gunship support is on the way, but it will take some time before they will be in a position to assist. Over.
Copy. Bravo 6 out.
An AC-130, eh? Haven't worked with one of those in a while.
Keep a low profile. Let's stay out of trouble.
Sir, vehicles coming from the north.
Get under that bridge. Move it. All right, let's move. Hold up. We've got company.
Что здесь происходит? Что тебе надо?
Не надо прикидываться дурачком. Мы знаем, что вы их где-то прячете.
Кто прячется? О чем ты говоришь?
Там у вас британские
Alright,
солдаты.
let's top these bastards before they kill the old man.
Вы напрасно тратите мою...
Area clear. Alright, let's keep moving. Spotlight, hit the deck. Stay down. Stay down. The heli's moving away. Let's go. Contact 6 o'clock. Return fire. Garrison, hold them all. Get that basement door open now. I'm on it. The door's open, sir. Get in the house. Go, go! What the bloody hell are you waiting for? Get down those stairs.
So, take point and scout ahead for an exit.
It's too quiet. Where the hell did they go?
Well, they're probably regrouping, trying to cut us off somewhere up ahead.
Stay sharp. Hold on, the helicopter's back. It doesn't look like they know where we are. Let's keep it that way. All right, let's press on. Move. Hold up. Sentries on the bridge up ahead. Stay out of the spotlight. Let's move, but stay low.
Я вижу врага!
Open fire!
Return fire and head to the far end of the field. Move!
Hold up. Sentries on the bridge up ahead. Stay out of the spotlight. Let's move, but stay low.
Я вижу врага!
We're compromised! Open fire!
Они разнебны!
Watch out for the helicopter!
Captain Price, we've got Stinger missiles in the barn.
So, grab a Stinger and take out that chopper. Move!
Bloody hell! He's popping flares! This won't be easy. So, grab another Stinger and fire again. Let's put him to the test. Bloody nice shooting this, Soap.
Good work, Soap. Everyone on me. Let's move out.
Bravo 6, be advised that AC-130 is entering your airspace at this time. Out. Bravo 6, this is Warhammer standing by. Heard you could use some help down there. Call the shot.
Warhammer, fire mission, danger close. Enemy armor and infantry, 100 meters to the southwest of our location. Over.
Copy. Coming down. Bravo 6 will cover you all the way to the extraction zone. You better get moving.
Roger that, Warhammer. We're moving now. Out. Come on, let's go. Wildfire, we are moving up the road towards the town to the east. Confirm you have a visual on us.
Got eyes on friendlies. Crew, do not fire on any target marked by a strobe. Those are friendlies.
TV, confirm you see the church in the town.
We see it. Start the clock. Roger that. We're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Got a vehicle moving now. One of the vehicles is moving right now.
Personnel coming out of the church.
We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church. Good kill, good kill. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. Cleared to engage enemy personnel.
Copy. Smoke them.
Light them up. There's armed personnel running out of the church. Personnel right there. Yeah, take him out. Hot damn! Get that guy. Direct hit.
Target reset.
Roger, guy moving. Get that person. You got him. There's armed personnel running out of the church. Guy running.
Cleared to engage all of those.
Get back on those guys.
Yeah, cleared to engage.
We got a runner here.
They're taking cover by that wall.
You gonna get him? Light him up. Yeah, take him out.
Copy, smoke them.
Yeah, direct hit's right there. That's a hit. Right there, tracking. Nail those guys. Guy running. Clear to engage enemy personnel. Yep, that was right on target. Gun ready!
Yeah, cleared to engage.
Whoa! Be careful, you almost killed our guys there. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there.
Wildfire, this is Bravo 6. Be advised, we're passing a large church and continuing towards the main highway. Keep up the fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing strobe light. Those are all hostiles.
Enemy personnel on the road.
You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle.
Get shot!
Shit, must have been a full tank of gas.
Gun ready!
Roger, guy moving. You gonna get him? Nail those guys by the building. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. You got him. There's a guy by that car. Okay, he's moving again.
Recalibrate as in the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Clear to engage enemy personnel. Personnel right there.
Set scan range.
Get that person. Get that guy. Kaboom. Direct hit. More enemy personnel. Good kill, good kill. Nail those guys by the building. Roger, guy moving.
Get shot!
Yep, that was right on target. You gonna get him? Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Nice.
Clean up that signal. Clean up that signal. Rolling in. Target reset. Set scan range.
We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transports on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. That's a nice truck.
Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies.
Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection? Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway. Yeah, roger that. We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets.
We got hostiles setting up along the curved road. Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Clear to engage. Smoke them.
Wildfire, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. It's the one with the square structure on the roof. It's the one with the flat roof. Rolling in.
Yeah, direct hit's right there. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there.
Hot damn!
Whoa! We got a runner here. Alright, you got the guy. I might have been within 2 feet of him. Guy running. Yep, that was right on target. You gonna get him?
Get shot!
Recalibrate as in the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Okay, he's moving again. Personnel right there.
Shot!
range.
Gun ready!
Clean up that signal.
Alpha, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard. We're leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching for those strobe lights. Those are friendlies.
Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Crew, go ahead and smoke. Man, these guys are going to town. You got them. More enemy personnel. Kaboom. We got a runner here.
Yeah, clear to engage.
Tracking. Get that guy. You got him.
Clear to engage all of those.
You got him.
Target reset.
You got him. Right there. Tracking. Hot damn! Roger, guy moving. Get that person. Personnel right there. Good kill, good kill. Get back on those guys. That's a hit. Nail those guys. Okay, he's moving again. That's a hit. You gonna get him? Roger, guy moving. Boom! Get back on those guys. Nail those guys by the building. Direct hit. Kaboom. Personnel right there.
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Alpha, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ.
Nice. Hot damn! Crew, be advised. Friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire. Copy. This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel.
Yeah, I heard that. Crew, VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.